Yo, morning guys, what's up? I'm vlogging from the iPhone 11 Pro Max and I'm using the Selfie camera to actually do this video. So I'm gonna be vlogging throughout the day to actually show you guys how the camera works and how's the video quality and all those kind of things. So this is actually recorded at it's a 4K at 60 frames per second. So basically, yeah, that's what it is. So I'm actually testing the selfie camera, shooting this video in 4K at 60 frames per second, and so far I'm impressed. I mean, the camera can easily adapt, but you can see too much light exposure at the back, but then as I change direction, then you can see other things in details, as well as the pimples on my face. It's pretty impressive. Now we don't have to flip back and shoot 4K videos without actually seeing ourselves. So I mean, I'm impressed with this camera. Look at that. Look at me all over the show. It's okay. It's a very good camera. So I'm gonna stop this and then switch back to the main camera. As you can see there, and then you still have capability of zooming.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I
checking inside and out and how everything looks around me. It's a different experience altogether. So I'm kind of like feeling to look at the camera itself, which is right here, and I'm actually end up looking at myself right away. So let's see how it looks. So I'm gonna hang out here a bit. My fiance is still at the bathroom, and then just want to see how this thing looks in the world. Hi, baby.
Hi.
I'm kind of using like cameras. This camera thing is something else for us vloggers. Super dry. Demi? So these are actually, oh, I think it was a painting. Wow.